Hello everyone, welcome to SQL Guide. Today I am going to show you how to move log shipping secondary database files. Today we going to learn how to move log shipping secondary database files. To move log shipping secondary database file, disable the log shipping restore job on a secondary server. Execute the alter database command to set a new location for data files. Stop SQL Server services on a secondary instance. Manually move the data file to new location of a secondary instance. Restart the SQL services on a secondary instance. Enable the log shipping database restore job. Let's connect with SQL Server to show you how to move log shipping database on a secondary instance. Connect SQL Server from SQL Server Management Studio. I am going to connect prod_b, which is log shipping secondary instance. You can see the log shipping secondary instance prod_b Adventure Work 2090 log shipping secondary database, and requirement to move Adventure Work 2019 database files to some other drive. Let's first verify the current file location for the database Adventure Works 2019. To check the file's current file location for the Adventure Work 2019, I am going to use this master file system table. After running this, you can find physical location of the file is in D drive SQL database. Okay, so you want to move the MDF file to C drive. This is the requirement. Now connect log shipping secondary instance server prod_b, and you can see the database status is standby read only. So if the database status standby read only, alter database will not work. Alter database to new file location, it will not work, so that you have to change to no recovery. To changing no recovery from a standby read only database, you have to use this command. Execute sp change log shipping secondary database. This command will help you to change a standby read only status database to no recovery. You have to pass secondary database name, log shipping secondary database name. In my case, secondary database name is Adventure Work 2019. Restore mode 0, it means no recovery. I am going to change disconnect user equal to 1. If any user connected, it will get disconnect. If you want to change a standby no recovery to standby, you can use one. Let's check current status of database. Current status of database: log shipping secondary database adventure work 2090 standby read only. So now I am going to change is to no recovery. So sometime in interview they will ask question how to change standby read only log shipping secondary database to no recovery. How to change standby read only log shipping database to no recovery. So this command will help you to change standby read only to no recovery. Let's run and see how it work. You can see the command executed successfully. Refresh prod underscore b log shipping secondary instance. You can see database status still standby read only. Let's connect log shipping primary instance prod a and go to SQL Server agent and job activities monitor. Take the log backup of primary database adventure work 2090 on log shipping primary server. Let's run it. You can see the job completed successfully. Now connect to prod underscore b log shipping secondary instance. Go to job activities monitor and run ls copy job. You can see job completed successfully. Now run ls restore job. You can see job completed, restore job completed on a secondary instance. Now refresh log shipping secondary instance server prod underscore v. Now you can see that database is in no recovery. It means restoring status. After changing standby to no recovery, now our actual task to move the data file of log shipping secondary database adventure work 2090. For that, first disable the job on prod underscore b. Connect SQL agent job activity monitor and go right click and disable the job. ls copy, right click, disable the, I already disabled this. Right click and disable the job. Connect to, you can, it depend on you. If you don't want disable the job of ls backup on primary server, you can, your choice. It cannot impact if it's running. So let's check the status of database. Now I have connected with secondary instance prod underscore b and going to check file location, physical file location for the log shipping secondary database. So current physical location for AdventureWorks 2019 log shipping secondary database is D drive SQL database AdventureWorks 19 MDF on prod instance. Now you want to move to in C drive. Okay, let's connect log shipping prod underscore b secondary instance and run this command. Okay, alter database AdventureWorks 2019, modify file name AdventureWorks 2070, file name to new location. Okay, run it. You can see it's completed successfully, saying that the file AdventureWorks 2017 for the database 2019 has been modified in the system catalog. The new path will be used in the next time the database started. It means this message clear saying that you have to restart the SQL services. Or let's connect prod b secondary log shipping instance, remote the log shipping secondary instance and run SQL 2090 configuration manager and go to services and stop the services. You can see services has been stopped for prod b SQL services and prod b SQL server agent also. Now go and move the file from D to C drive of the new location. Let's connect prod b log shipping secondary instance and go to D drive SQL database and AdventureWorks 2019. Copy it and move to C drive SQL database and data. Already one file is there, just delete it and copy it there. File moved successfully. Now you can start the SQL services. Go to SQL Server Configuration Manager for the prod underscore b log shipping secondary instance and start the services. You can start SQL agent job services also, because when you stop it started. Now fine. Okay, let's connect to prod underscore b log shipping secondary instance from SQL Server Management Studio and refresh. You can see databases are up. Go to agent is also up. Now let's verify that file has moved successfully or not. For that you just run this command: select db name, database id, name, physical name from sysmaster file. You can get, previously it was D drive, it should change to this drive. Let's run and check it. You can see that file has been changed successfully and moved to this drive. See SQL database data adventure work MDF. Okay, so now this moved, so this moved successfully. Now this is time to test. How to test? You have to start start the ls backup job on a primary instance. For testing purpose, connect here log shipping primary instance server, go to job activities monitor, and ls backup adventure work 2019. Just take the log backup. Okay, log backup has been completed. Go and connect prod underscore b log shipping secondary instance of job activities monitor and run the ls copy job. Job also completed successfully. Now go to ls restore ms sql prod adventure work 2019. You run this job to get restore log on a log shipping of secondary database adventure work 2019. Go start the job and run it. You can see the job has been completed successfully. It means your file moved successfully, and the log shipping configuration is running fine. So this is the way to move log shipping secondary database data file to one drive to another drive. And you have to remember, if the log shipping secondary database is in standby read only, so first you have to change no recovery. After change to no recovery status of log shipping secondary database, then you can go ahead and move the data file, and for you can start log backup and restore back to test your log shipping configuration. Thanks for watching SQL guide. Please share, subscribe and like.